The third type of the classification, it is mineral fibers. Okay, the most predominantly used mineral fiber in the construction industry, it is glass fiber. Glass fibers are basically, it is a silica based glass compounds which contains several metal oxides which can be used to manufacture different types of the glasses. Generally, these mineral fibers possess higher tensile strength in the range of 1000 to 4000 megapascals. Also, these possess relatively higher tensile strength at the Young's modulus, which is in comparison with the polymeric fibers. They are also economical. That is why these mineral fibers are most commonly used in the structural applications. There are three variants in these fibers: E glass, A glass and the AR glasses. Okay, AR glasses, it will be exclusively used in the alkaline resistant glasses, because that is because the E glasses and the A glasses which it do not suit for the alkaline environment. Therefore, an alkali resistant fibers was developed, and that is AR glass. AR glass is nothing but alkaline resistant glass, whereas E glass is nothing but borosilicate glass fibers, and A glass is soda lime silica glass fibers. So these A, E and A glasses were employed to reinforce cement based composites. Once it failed to perform better in the alkaline environment, then the air type of the glass was introduced. Okay, the next type of the fiber, it is natural fibers. So in many parts of the world, man-made fibers like steel fiber, carbon fiber, metallic fiber, polymeric fibers are not available. Therefore, attempts have been made in utilizing the naturally occurring fibers which is being extracted from the plants in the cement based composites. Okay, so the different types of the natural fibers are coconut coir, jute, sisal, sugarcane, bagasse, wood and elephant grass. So these are all the few variants of the natural fibers which they started utilizing as a fibrous material in the cement based material. Although these fibers are sufficiently strong in tension, their modulus elasticity is very much quite low. Okay, and the major problem in the utility of the natural fibers is that they used to disintegrate in the alkaline environment, and hence the durability of the composite, it became a matter of concern. Okay, and then they were found to be the durable, and also the based upon the different type of the natural fibers available. For example, aquara fiber, it is one type of the fiber which is extracted from the vegetable plant stem, which is mostly available in the parts of the Nigeria. These found to be more durable in the alkaline environment and dimensionally stable under alternate wetting and drying condition. So what is the dimensionally stable? We know that the natural fibers are not stiff and strong like the carbon fibers or the metallic fibers, because the natural fibers, when you just press it in your hand itself, the fiber will tend to deform and it do not have any steady shape or the standard stiffness. Okay, so under these conditions, the aquara fiber, which is a natural fiber, it was found to be more stiff and steady when compared to the other type of the natural fibers. Therefore, it proved that this is more durable in the alkaline environment, and it is dimensionally stable. And also the fibers which has been extracted from the coconut coir is coconuts is referred as the coir. Coir fibers are normally shorter in length and are found to be more sensitive to the moisture changes. So these coconut coir, everybody might have seen at your home. So the length of these coir fibers are very much less. So when it gets contact with the moisture or the water content, it is not dimensionally fit. Okay, even it will become smoother. So that is why the utility of these coir fibers were less in the construction practice. So apart from this, elephant grass fibers were also extracted from the elephant grass stems, which were grown up to the height of 3 meter, and these stems were packed with a tough sharp fibers bonded together with the lignin. So extraction of these fibers is difficult, but they are stable under varying moisture conditions and alkali resistant. So this elephant stem also it can be grown in a very controlled manner to a height of 3 meter, and it proved to, under so many laboratory testing, it proved to be more effective with respect to the moisture conditions and alkali resistant. Therefore it was an one more alternative to the fiber. So and also the wood fibers also contributes to a major portion of the natural fibers used in the concrete. So these possess higher tensile strength and Young's modulus, and it possesses higher tensile strength and Young's modulus.